little late this morning. Welcome to the Breakfast Club. Yeah, I'm a little late. Just woke up. So, take a few minutes to see what's going on here. And we will get right to it. All right. Let's have a look at the hourly chart here first. Hourly chart. Interesting. We went right up and filled in perfectly that midnight open gap, midnight open range, right to the tip of it. Back into the busy. This little order block breaker here. There's a small little run up higher. What I'd like to see is a nice return to this level right here. We've taken this low here now. So that's the range extension. I'd like to see this come back here the next hour. Grab this and send it lower. Everything looks like it's going lower here. So you go to the 15-minute chart. That's that new day opening, or that midnight open range. So you've already got the 15-minute continuation right here. Institutional order flow entry drill. $5-minute. That's what we're coming back for right now. There's the Model 4. This is a new Model 4 right here. I'd like to see it come back to that like I said, that hourly level. I'd like to see if we can get back to 751. It's right here. So it's inside this small little leg we see right here. If you take some of the first ones we've got. Good morning, Hans. Sorry I'm a little late today. Let's see what happens here at the open. See what ES is up to. That's on the turn as well. Let me see. Let's put all this out here. $751 is what I'm looking for. Right there. There's 50% of the new day opening gap, or no, regular opening gap, regular trading hours there. Morning, Kevin. Morning, Shepard. We'll see how we do in this. All I can see is 852. Premium sitting up here still. It's right off of 830. Let's look at that 6 a.m. here too. Flip the highs now. So swip the lows, swip the highs. If we're looking for this to come back through the D's 830, you would see it sweep through here, come back, tag his 830, and then come lower. If that's what we're committed to. So retest of the high here. If you want this to go lower, it's got to fail through here now. Wrong data for the stream. Yeah, I know. I've got a wrong date for the stream. Yeah, I know. I've got to fix that. That's what happens when you just wake up. It's all coming back inside this breaker to go higher now. We did not get that hour close below that low. That was just a sweep run. It threw you off. Kept refreshing. Sorry about that. This will throw everybody off. We run all this whole market out. I got 54 is the upside. Let's look, see what we get. We can see another big run on these highs here. See if we come down and tag this little high here. Let's see if we get a turn. Yeah, 15-minute box to box. Just want to see if it closes below this candle here now. There's a small little imbalance right here. I'd love to see it just tear through here again now. We can come back to, you got an old high here at 889. Eat through that guy right there. Get through here at 863. And just tear it all back against these longs here. Rip it down. Let's go. Let's get through here. Let's see if it breaks through this 50% of this busy here. And that's just a raid on all this liquidity here. We're selling it lower. We've torn all through this. Never validated any of this. Never validated that. So right there. It'd be great. Stop it right there and send it lower. I just want to see if we break this market structure now again. Come back and revisit all the areas that never got tested. This is just a retest of here. We've never done that one yet. And we've never had a retest of that low. So look for here. Smart money reversal, low risk sell. And then we want to see a second stage accumulation distribution down here. And then send it. Looking for a unicorn setup over here somewhere. What you want to see here, if this HD won't, I want to see it pop through the 830 and then send it to this guy down here. See what 10 o'clock does here. Remember, we still have this has not been tagged yet, and neither is this right here. So far, this busy here is folding. But that can bring us all the way back up into this candle here anyway. So as long as the body stays here, we can wick up into that. I still want to see us get through that. If we close through that, then we're starting to head even higher still. We're heading for the hourly busy on February the 26th. No, February 18th. There's the 10 o'clock. That's the tag of the high there, or that should be there. And we'll see if we get through a retest here or midpoint here. That's the midpoint. No, we're above it now. Explosive, hey? It's explosive. That took us right up to the mean threshold of the hourly candle on the 18th there. Right into it. Gold's taking a big dive down too. Silver should be on a big turn as well. This is a retest, send it higher. See if we retest here. Nope. See if we can get some market structure break here. Wow, gold is on a dive. It's lost 80 bucks already. There's the retest of the BISI. Good to see a market structure shift here, though. We got overlaps now. Good work, Chris. That was a crazy day for sure, yeah. That 5-minute reversal right here was perfect, eh? Tag. Take the high. So we've got a turn here. Still don't have a structure break yet. If you're still looking at going lower on this. Oh, that wasn't a 5 minute. That was a 15-second. Let's put that back to 5 minutes. Here's 8:58. Oh, I got it wrong. I got it sitting in the wrong one. This right here, isn't it? You're right. Oh yeah. Bouncing off 8:30 like crazy. Yeah, that's just like just tripping on it, hey? That's like cement there. Yeah, agreed. We'll just hit trip below here, come back into that 6 o'clock and 8:30. Nail it and drop it. Thing is, they might just pound it through there quick, right? Look at the 5 a.m. Look at it holding off that bull trap. Ripped through it, came back, tagged it, went higher, and ripped up higher, like crazy higher. And hit right into the mean threshold of that hourly candle. Like, look at this right here. See that mean threshold right there? Let me get this thing out of the way. Look at the mean threshold right there. It's 0.81. 0.81. Bang. Nails it. Leaves. And now we're back inside that that last breaker right there. Or mitigation block. I guess it didn't take out anything down here. Held. And now we're waiting to break the 8:30 candle and send it lower. How many times could you have just bounced off of the 8:30, ran the high, bounced off the 8:30, ran the premium, come back to the 8:30. You've already got the premium here, so look for the mean threshold here. It should be about 04003. See you later, Derek. There's the mean threshold done. We got no indications of a turn here on a 5 or 15 minute. Higher. There's this small little imbalance right there. You can see it right here. Stretch it out. See it right there. We get through that, come back and tag it. Wait and see where that candle closes. Above, look for a retest. Right there. So another one right here. Well, this is the one we're talking about. I gotta watch for see where this closes now. One, two, three. Your ass is next. I'll close below here and then take this low. You can retest there. And your ass is next. $27. Retest, come lower. This midnight candle, midnight open, that first presentation or that first fair value gap after midnight, holding price. And it's the bottom of the hour. Crazy Evan. I'd like to see it come right back into that level right there. And then take it lower. There's the discount right there. Bring it back up into here and then roll it over. Just want to see it keep coming lower now. It's good. Keep coming. I don't want to see it start getting back through here now. That's not what I want to see. I wanted to see this slowly start to work its way back down. Nothing on a 5. There's the premium. You have to include that guy there, still up there. And if we stay up in here, then and we've broken this bull trap, then we're back to going long. The top of it right there. Next one's right here. No body above here yet. So reach for that 016. Now we'll see if it kicks off of here. That's the premium, the last one. So there's P1, P2. So let's see if we get through that one and start working higher. Or if that's our freeze and come back down into this range again. Here's the retest of the bull trap. So that should start going higher. We don't want, if we lose the mean threshold of that candle, look for a retest of this. There's the retest. Now you've got this and this. You got 2 spots inside this smaller range here now. Retest the mean threshold of that candle. Sorry, it's right here. Ran through these. This is as chop as you can get it. It's like yesterday all over again. The best part of the day was that first little run. And then you get back into that chop at 10 o'clock. So we're still holding that 06016. No body's broken it yet. Now you're bullish. Just got in short along on that one there. As soon as it tagged that high there, or that broke above that, get long there, pay yourself there. Let's see her come back and retest 37. Or else just keep running now. Let's see if we break through that hourly mean threshold, this old high here. If we can take that on a close, then we're coming back deeper into the range to 173. $173. My upside target. See how we tagged that spot right there, 37. We're in this rejection block right now. I just want to see if we can, if that was just our only touch, and go higher. Another little break here. $5 minute wants to come back to 8 or 985. Wants to come all the way down here. There's the retest here. Gotta go higher from there. Yeah, get a breakthrough here. If we can get a close above that Hindi, then we're looking for that to run higher for sure. And we've just got a close above that high. So we're using this to go higher now. See, use that right there to go higher. Send it up. If it's aggressive, we should just leave here now. Yeah, I have 173 to what did I have sitting there? Oh yeah, 173 to 223. We should start changing that to from follow the rules to follow your rules, because nobody knows what the rules we keep claiming are the rules. They're our rules. So I think we have to reset what we think, what we state the rules are. This is my last trade of the day here. I haven't taken it on here, but I'm off this high here. I got in here, went out, came back, took me out, then started to go higher, and I thought, no, we're still going higher. So I went back in here, and that's my target. Inside the box. Yeah. Just playing now. I want to see it push up here fast for 11 o'clock, 11:15 reversal. So 58 there. See that go higher from here. If it comes back below 58, then you're looking for 2 in here. It's 97. My stop loss is sitting right there now. Touch that old high or recent high. We'll validate this candle now. Keep going. This is the time I want Michael's between 11 and 11:30 or 11 and 1:30. There's a sizable retracement on the run from 10:30. So I want to see it just reach this peak here first before it gets there. Starts any of that shenanigans. So you watch all three of these. That's it. It's got to stop there. If it comes back into one more, and that candle, my ass is next. It's coming for me now. It's right on 11 o'clock too. Now send it lower. I suppose it has to create a fair value gap above us yet, hey? Unless it uses this one. Nope. I closed my trade out before my stop loss got taken. Could still be in that. We'll see if that we get a fair value gap above this and a retracement first before going higher. Or see if she runs straight forward. It's without me now. So if we get back above this candle here, it's high, half the wick in the open. This is the fair value gap we want to see form above now. 11 o'clock. Small little spot here. Don't give it a full fill. There's the first retouch. Send it up one more time and then see if this holds. And then we travel through it. Take this candle out. Get a little structure break. No. Nope. Forget all that idea. Was there something on a 15-second chart that did that? Yeah, 15-second chart's got it. There's the retest. See if we get a structure breakdown here now. See you later, Hans. I just think there's no way they're leaving 170 untouched. What's the high of that candle? 169 actually. $58. What? That's right on the money there. We broke through here now, and we ran through the mean threshold of that. There's nothing else to touch up here. So I'm going to wait for something more significant there. Right, so that weekly, is that a new week opening gap? Yeah. Going for is there a retouch here? Send it lower. Yep. Lost the mean threshold again. 10 seconds now. See if we take this high here. And that's all the retracement we get for 11 o'clock. And the next push higher. Nope. Sit right on the mean threshold here. We're between these two right now. Yeah, that's been validated. So retest one more time. See, when you go through 3 arrays in one, your ass is next. If you're sitting right here. My stop loss. I'm in a sell-off right now. I shorted right off that little tiny spot right there. 95, 95. Risk-free. Yeah, like if we can get through this level and start, I really want to see it attack here. So you want to see like a second stage accumulation here. And then a big unicorn distribution. Well, I'm not out yet, Hadi. There's a discount box sitting right down here. I'll take one off down here and see if the rest will run. My stop is above the bull trap. So what you don't want to see is like, I would want to see like this come back and pop above here and then send it lower. And this is the squabblers. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 to 21. These are the ones that go back and forth, argue with each other. Well, gold sure did a nice little rebound off of 5,005. We're back up. It just gained $70. 2. I want to see this dive down here now. Stop losses here. This I want to see just really start getting some legs, fire through. Really see it pick up some speed here now. We're bouncing right off this little premium over here. Like I say, it's really got to get some speed here. There's no clean reversal. So I want to see this really start to motor through here. Pick up some speed here. Really start to blow through this lot. There's a lot of clutter here. A lot that's been worked quite a lot. So if we're going to tear through, I want to see it just start really ripping back against everything here and reaching for down here in this 800 range. Get through that 830. Where's that 830 candle? Down here. Have a great day, weekend there, Hadi. You're very welcome, Hadi. All the best, my friend. Have an awesome weekend with your family. See you on Monday, buddy. My apologies for being late this morning, you guys. I was like, mind was scrambled this morning. I like to give myself I didn't even have any coffee this morning. All I've got is water. We'll see if we're just sitting in this box here now. If we take out this on a close, we could be coming back up into that range again. It's got a hold there. It's the 50%. Drop it through. Take up some speed here. I want to really see this accelerate. My stop loss is right there now. We have a fair value gap forming here. Nope. Just give that a little kiss, write that off, and send it down. Here's our first little target here. And that'll be a reversal to a box. That writes it off. Mean threshold. That's a nice little tag there. That'd be a perfect place for it to stop, come lower. Otherwise, mean threshold. We're getting to the bottom of the hour now. So this is crazy Ivan time. I'm out. He saw me. He came and grabbed me. I'm out. So if we close above here now, then I'm targeting back up here again. Wow, gold suddenly responded back, hey? It took out the today's high already. It literally dropped to 5,000 and now it's up 86 bucks or $82. That's it going higher now. So nice little fair value gap here. Institutional order flow entry drill right off the 118. This is a graded response. That's an A plus leave. If you're into the A plus thing. A is here. You don't want a B. You just want an A to tag here. Or just aggressively leave here now. Break this high. That just popped into it. There's your A start all the way to here. Right there. And they'll send it up higher. Got to get out of here now. Now I want to see it clear this candle here on a close. That's not what I'm interested in. So I was long right there. Now I'm going to wait for us to break this high here. Next one's this one. Nice. I just want to see it start ripping through here now and start heading back up to this other box we had marked up here. There's the retouch on a 40. Now I'd like to see that just keep going higher there now. Excellent. Just keep pushing higher. That's a perfect tag. I like that. Well, maybe it's not a perfect tag. What's the high of that candle? No. Let's go. You're looking at the internal range liquidity hunt. If you're going from here to here. Or take the whole leg. There's 62%, so you should be sitting at 50. Take a portion off here. This is an optimum trade entry reversal up zone right here, right off that breaker. pay yourself there. If that reverses and comes all the way back down again and doesn't reach for this, because we've got to get through. Wow, this is really aggressively going to run through here now. Like it's got to take off because there's not much in here at all. There's a little tiny spot right there, but we've just tagged it now at 70. So I'd like to see a rip. I mean, like, we got to see a big bold green candle ripping out here now and work right through this lot. Go, go, go. There you go. That's what you want to see. So far it's acting the way we want it to act. So if you haven't paid yourself on the way up using Take Profit Model 1, there's nothing else in here to really get your trade off of, right, except for that little spot right there. So if we come back and tag 91, and then send it higher. So if your internal range liquidity hunt, if you just took my my rule for Take Profit Model 1, as soon as you trade it above that level, that becomes your retest zone. Get long there. 50%, take half your trade off, move your stop loss to break even. Hit 60%, move your stop loss to 50. Take a portion off, gets to 70. Take a portion off, move to 62. If it goes up to 75, you're moving to 70. If it's at 78, you move to 75, and you'd be out of your trade right there. And you're scaling out. You'd have like 10% left on, so you would have scaled out on the way up, taking all the fruit off the internal range liquidity hunt. And if you're going box to box, there is no real box in here. There's nothing in here. It's just literally breaker to breaker. That one, there's a little tiny one right here, which is what we said we'd wanted to see come back and test it and leave, which is what it's doing. We wanted 91. So there's 91 right there. Tagged it. Now we're going higher. Now I want to see it take this candle here, use it as support, and keep pushing. Make this like a propulsion candle, and it's got to aggressively go here now. You're going to really see it blow through all this luck because it's been worked, right? So you want to see that really start picking up some pace here. So my stop loss is sitting right here now, just below that last turning point. And this, I want to see it. See how we closed above that? Use it as support. That's what I want to see. Now I want to really see it bloom, take off. So this first little run we saw, wanted to see it come back and just test the 91. That's that little tiny area. You got to look at these things, hunt for them, because they are areas of sensitivity. So this, if I lose this, I'm out, just because it's not acting the way I want it to act. And we're getting near lunch hour now. So I'd like to see lunch hour make a new high here into this box, reverse, and then start targeting this down here for the rest of the week or for the rest of the day. We'll see if that ends up transpiring and giving us what I'm looking for. See this constant retest of this thing? I don't want to see that. You got to get out of here. It's got to start really exploding in pressure now. And as soon as it clears this bull trap, then the stop loss will go right below the, well, it's literally sitting at the bottom of the bull trap anyway, which is also the bottom of this one here. So I want to see a real big punch through here. And then this last candle's mean threshold becomes my spot, then this one, then this one. It's a retest of that little high right there. Keep going. Yeah, I'm just looking at specific data points now to see price support it. So this little swing we had here, we've come back, we've retested it. And I want to see that push higher. And then use this one as a retest. So now we've closed above it. Give it a little kiss. And then send it up. And then start targeting the mean threshold of that. We're in the mean threshold of this candle. So we're between here now and there. So we'll see if this has got strength. This should hold. That should give way. You see how those data points are just like, they tag them. They tag them. Those are like interesting points to keep your eyes on. There's the retest of the high. Now keep going. Eat through that one. You want to start pushing through to the rejection block here now. So 134. I've got 11 people remaining, eh? $100. Does that mean threshold's holding? So if we lose this midpoint here, I'm done. I'm out. Because this could be just rolling over inside here, and I'm not interested in that. I'm sitting right there. I'm out. I'm not even going to let it come there. I'm out. It's probably going to turn around and go back up now that it's enough to shake me off. But your stop loss should be one tick below that low, which should have left it there. But I didn't want to see that mean threshold go. Because if it does, I'm looking at probably retagging this low here, or this Zibi here. So this won't be interesting for me until we get back above that level. I think that might be it for me for the day anyway. If we close below here, watch the mean threshold of that get used to push us back into this range. So far, this is the mean threshold is holding. See that? The wick, I got psyched out by the candle. The wick, the bodies are respecting that. So that should go higher now. See if this holds. Get a body above here now. Still come back and retest this level here. That'll be it for me, you guys. I think I'm done for the day. So watch this level right here. Stop loss will be sitting right here. I want to see this hold and continue pushing up into that range there now. And then I want to see a reversal up here and target back down here for the rest of the day. If we get back through that level on a close and start going higher, then forget that whole downside. I want to see that this be the free zone for the day at lunchtime. See it run up into here and close that out. Anyway, that's my my prediction for the day. So I kind of hope you guys have an awesome weekend. I am out of here. Thank you for tuning in. Sorry again if that was a little late. And I'll see you guys on Monday. So have a safe weekend. Be kind to each other out there. And as usual, I'm sending the love, my friends. You have a great, great weekend. I wish you all the best. Thanks for... Holy smokes, my spelling's terrible this morning. Hope you guys have a great weekend. Take care.